Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.6% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the gold gain 0.4% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices inched higher as investors awaited a slew of US economic data this week for more cues to the Federal Reserve's timeline for interest rate cuts. The pound touched its highest against the euro in 4 months, supported by indications that the British economy is holding up and the Bank of England will likely cut rates later than its peers. OKX's native exchange token slumped by more than 50% in just 3 minutes on Tuesday, following a series of liquidations triggered by an abnormal price fluctuation. The price has since recovered and the exchange confirmed that it will compensate users for losses caused by the liquidation cascade.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 1200 hours GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 1530 GMT. Finland's producer price index at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report will be released at 1100 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.